Today we're going to be looking at the Hornby Southern Class 423 for VEP EMU. Is it going to be a lemon, or is it going to be a star performer? Let's find out. Let's open her up and see what we've got inside. Now, this is interesting. Got different packaging to that which was previously used. This is Hornby here is the instruction leaflet, which, unlike previous instruction leaflets, is in colour. It shows you the coupling sequence, how to fit the cars together, and in this section it shows you how to fit the DCC decoder. There's a piece of perspex on the top, and it's held in place by sellotape. Let's cut the sellotape off. Around the wrong way. The power car is in this ice cube type backman style packaging. The other cars, though, are just wrapped in cellophane. Right, now it's time to get it on the turntable. The electric shoe is very similar to the one that was on the previous model. It's simply made with a piece of etched brass, but with this model it is been painted. The actual shoe itself has been painted to make it stand out, which makes it look a bit better. This is the power car, which is the only coach in the set to come in this ice cube type packaging. All right, as Sam says, he opens it up. There's a piece of plastic there, cellophane. Now we lift it up out of the box. You can see it doesn't have traction tyres. So take this around. Here I notice a defect. The luggage rack is not in alignment with the top of the seat. Is the trailer second open? I bought this train because it's an unusual livery and there's no other train on my layout that looks even remotely like it. This livery is quite interesting in that it has green, a dark green piece here, and also it has yellow accents, and then a lighter green band and a white band and a grey band. This livery does differ slightly from the liveries that I used more recently. This is the other end of the train. We've already had a piece fall off it in the Sam's Trains tradition, so I'm going to have to glue that back. That's the first class. It's important to note that with this first class they have rectified the problem which they had with the previous model, in that there was a solid wall here where there should have been a partition, and the partition in this model has been rendered quite well, so it's a big improvement on the previous model. Now for the moment of truth. How will it run? How does it compare with the old VEP? This is the old one, this is the new one. It's noticeable that this is more realistic than this. It is apparent that this is too narrow here. And on this one it has been corrected. You notice the roof on the new one is a slightly darker shade of grey. What do you think, Mr. Wilkie? Is this new VEP worth the money? Or is it money down the drain? You don't really know, do you? No. It's highly useful sitting on my layout, isn't it? I think we're going to have to call this review, time on this review. Review's sitting in the way. If you look here on the old VEP, you'll see that there's a solid wall in here where there should be a partition. But if we move the new VEP into place, we'll see that's not the case, that in fact the interior partition is moulded, not moulded, is modelled. I'm sorry, there's a large obstruction on the line. I have to get on to permanent way department and have it removed.